Hi everyone, today I'm going to read chapter 6 of Junie B. Jones and the Mushy Gushy Valentime by Barbara Park. Chapter 6 is called Bingo. I put my head down on my table because I needed to figure out who didn't send me a Valentine, that's why. I thinked and I thinked real hard. Then all of a sudden I springed up. Lucille, I thinked of a plan. I thinked of a way to find out that guy. All I have to do is see the names of who signed my Valentines, because whoever is missing is the person who didn't send me one. Lucille looked admiring at me. That is very smart of you, Junie B., she said. You should be on cops. I know it, I said. My head is as sharp as a tack. After that, I got all my Valentines in a pile, and me and Lucille looked at the people who signed them. We kept track of their names very good. Only too bad for me, 'cause 7 of my Valentines weren't even signed. Darn it, I said. Now what am I supposed to do? Just then I saw Mrs. hurrying to my table again. Junie B., I have some good news for you, she said. Guess what I just found in the bottom of the Valentine's box? I sprang up real quick, 'cause the guessing games are my favorite, of course. A meatball? I said. Mrs. did a frown. No, Junie B., why do you think there would be a meatball in the box? Think about it. What have people been putting in the Valentine's box all week? Valentine's cards, I said real smart. Right, she said, and how many Valentines did you get today? 16, I told her. Yes, you were missing one, weren't you? And so what do you think I found in the bottom of the box just now? This time I thought my hardest. A meatball, I said. Mrs. rolled her eyes way up at the ceiling. Then I looked up there too, but I didn't see anything. Finally, Mrs. pulled a giant envelope from behind her back. No, this, Junie B., she said. This is what I found in the bottom of the box. I found this big envelope, and it is addressed to you. My mouth came open, very shocked. Then all of a sudden I clapped my hands, very thrilled. Hey, wait a second here. Maybe this could be my missing Valentine. Mrs. looked kind of funny at me. Bingo, she said, sort of soft. Yes, I shouted, bingo, bingo, bingo. After that, I jumped up and down and danced all around, because nobody broke the rule after all, and that was very nice of them. After I finished dancing, I opened the envelope, and it was the beautifulest card I ever saw. It had lace and hearts all over the front, and a purple ribbon that was weaved around the edge. Look, Mrs., look, it's a mushy, gushy kind, I said. I always wanted one of these things. Who sent it, huh? Read me their name, okay? Who sent it? Mrs. opened the card and looked at the name. Then she laughed out loud. Well, it looks like you've got a fan yourself, she said. She ruffled my hair. This card is signed from your secret admirer. I raised up my eyebrows. Huh? What? Who? Mrs. smiled. A secret admirer is someone who likes you very much, but he's too shy to tell you, she explained. I guess your Valentine's Day turned out pretty good after all, huh? She said. Yes, my Valentine's Day turned out almost perfect, I said. Now all I have to do is figure out who my secret admirer is, and I will be in business. After that, I put on my head on my table, and I closed my eyes, because I needed to think of another plan, of course. You can see her card. And chapter 7 is called Wink, Wink. Now Junie B. has a mystery to solve. We will read the next chapter at school on Monday.